It's true that not all tax preparers or specialists have the same training or the same experience, just like every other profession. So, here are four essential questions to ask when you are interviewing a potential tax specialist. These questions are thanks to our guest expert, Becky Wilmoth, an enrolled agent and adoption tax credit specialist at Bill's Tax Service in Illinois. She recommends that you ask these four questions. Number one, are you an enrolled agent with the designation EA after their name? An enrolled agent has the highest level of IRS authorization to represent taxpayers and is trained on tax law, including credits and deductions. If they are able to say yes, it's a strong indicator that they can handle more complex or nuanced adoption situations when helping you file. The second question that she recommends that we ask is, how many adoption tax credits have you filed? In this case, experience really matters, especially with a credit like this, where the documentation and the eligibility can vary widely from one family to another, from one adoption situation to another. The third question that she recommends is, are you familiar with adoption tax credit laws? That includes the new changes to the 2025 federal tax claims. You want someone who not only prepares returns, but also understands how the adoption tax credit works on both the practical and legal sides of things, especially if you have one of those complicated situations. And the fourth question that she recommends is, can you represent clients if the IRS denies my credit claim or requests an audit? And it might seem unlikely that this would happen, but having someone who can walk you through an appeal or an audit or an amended filing can be very, very helpful towards maximizing that full $5,000 back. It's also really important that you recognize that you don't have to be limited to someone in your own town or your own state. Most tax professionals now work remotely and have very secure ways that they can share documents back and forth and talk through the questions that you may have. They can keep your private information private. This opens up your options, which is excellent news if you're looking for someone who has a wide and deep set of experiences with the adoption tax credit.